Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom chat list on WhatsApp. It's super easy and only takes a few steps, so make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the screen. Now, at the top right, tap on the three-dot menu. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for and tap on Lists. This will bring you to a screen where you can create your own custom chat list, which will show at the top of your chats. To create a new list, tap on New List. You can also start from the main WhatsApp screen by tapping on the plus icon. Now, type in the name of your list. For example, you can create a family list, friends list, or any category you prefer. After naming your list, tap on Add People or Groups. From here, select the contacts or groups you want to include in the list. Once you've selected everyone, tap on the checkmark icon. Now, you'll see the Create List button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and your new list will be created. Go back to your WhatsApp chat list, and you'll see your newly created list at the top. Just tap on the list name to view all the people or groups you've added. And that's it. You've successfully created your WhatsApp chat list. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.